So we've got the track trip going tomorrow. Private rental event put on by One More Gear. So today, kind of getting everything ready to go. This video is gonna probably be like an overview of what we've been doing here at the shop. Got a lot of different projects going on. Mike's got the this 5 Series in here now. He's getting that thing knocked out. So 5 Series mounts will be available soon through him. We've got Mike's car in here. He's finishing up some wiring, and he also redid his wheels. So he got matching front runners. They were on sale. Had to do some machining to pull them in some more. They fit really good now. They did stick out a little bit, and this color is wild. So needs a bath. We buffed this whole car out. Well, I did. Paint corrected the whole car. Actually came out really nice. So needs a bath before tomorrow. We're also taking the red car. This is a turbo 370. It's got a VS Racing 80mm 8096 on it. 4L80 car. Has a 9-inch. We have to put the welds on it. Right now it's on the street tire setup. So we'll put the welds on it. I gotta finish putting the interior back in. We're doing some wiring updates to it and some tuning changes. So this thing will be out there with us tomorrow. Also have Rudy's Vet. Also have Rudy's Cadillac coming with us. He bought a spot as well, so we're gonna, that car should easily go 9s. We'll see how deep into the single digits it will go. Really healthy combo. So oh my goodness, this color in the sun is retarded. So bright. You can only get away with this on a BMW. But these are the 2 cars we're taking tomorrow. Probably gonna do an overview video on this one because this thing is just super clean. So much time and effort into this car, and then, you know, it's got kind of a sad story behind it. The owner actually passed away in a motorcycle accident. Parents finished the car with us, and they take it to car shows, and this is the first time to have it go to the track. So it's kind of been chilling in storage, really. It just barely gets driven since Mike passed away. So, you know, this is just a super clean car. Interior's kind of apart right now, changing up some wiring, but you know, we had the front seats recovered by a local company here in Tomball. They did a phenomenal job. Dash is in great shape. You know, it retains the factory center console. Shifter fits through there. Everything looks nice.
recording.
Here at the track, we've already made a couple passes. We got my car, the red car we built over at the shop, Turbo F body. Solomon's car's over there, we already ran. Bullet's pulling back in. But we've got my car torn apart right now. We were leaking some power steering fluid. You can see this trail it left pulling back into the pits. And we tore it apart and we found out that the power steering pump stripped out and is loose on my bracket. So we've got some longer bolts coming. We're gonna try 3 bolts that put a nut on the back side of it. And then also rip some of this pulley off, but it's enough to hold the belt on. Should stay straight to make a couple more passes. So we're gonna get this put back together and see if we can make a hit and not spin. The second pass we spun out of the hole. The left lane wasn't prepped as well, so we're gonna go back in the right lane. Turn the boost down so we don't hit boost cut like the first run. And then see if we can get that 8. Holy shit.
Patiently waiting for them to give me a tree.
Congrats, man.
She was scooting that time. They still didn't shift 2 to 3.
I heard you like banging into 3rd or something like that.
It looks so slow on camera.
Right? Yeah.
It didn't spin right there. It's got a limited slip in it. $147.
Damn.
Get him! 836 to an 8.
But that light came on.
Bullet 1. 836 to an 884. 181 to 163.
So that last pass, we still had the leaves turned up a little too hot. We rolled out, rolled back into it to get some data because I didn't get a data log all day. The log on the small Holly screen wasn't recording, so we got that data off the laptop, and then got back, and I had some coolant pressure issues. It got a little hot. Coolant hoses were all expanded. We let the pressure off, and it gets hot real quick, so I think I ended up lifting a head in it, which not too unexpected for this setup. This still has Chinese head studs in it, so we'll get it back to the shop and look into it a little more. But fun day out here at the track. We had a bunch of guys all set up, barbecued, got a bunch of runs in, took our time, fixed the power steering, had a good time. So we'll give it a try next time.